Hello you guys! Since I got more views on my Icecandy recipe, here is another video of Icecandy corn flavor. It's creamy and soft. Let's start. 3/4 cup of cornstarch. Dissolve cornstarch 1 cup of water. In a bowl add 4 cups of water and set in a medium heat. 1 cup of sugar. Stir until sugar is melted. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe. Add the diluted cornstarch. Stir constantly to avoid lumps. Add 1 can condensed milk. Add the creamed corn. Evaporated milk. Stir constantly and bring to a boil. Look at the corn, looks delicious. This is optional, crushed happy peanut. Or you can buy peanut in the street. Add the crushed peanut. Let it cool. This is the size of Icecandy bag that I'm using. Do the process just the same as the previous video. And that's it. Freeze overnight. This is good for business. Please check the description box for the costing. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please like.